And many Kenyans have realized that they are a pawn in a game. This man has used violence to get into government, year after year. In the year 1982, he embarked on a plan to overthrow the government of President Daniel Arap Moi so that he can get to power. Many Kenyans lost their lives. Property was destroyed. In the year 1997, he lost elections. He was number 4. He sowed fear to President Moi by doing demonstrations and destroying property, and he was brought into government through cooperation. He came and messed Moi up. In the year 2007, when he lost elections to Mwai Kibaki, again he embarked on violence and destruction of property. He was brought into government through the Nusu Mkate arrangement. Again he messed Mwai Kibaki. In 2017, again, he sowed fear to President Uhuru Kenyatta and forced his way into government through the handshake arrangement. This year, again, he is on the similar scheme to bring violence, to destroy property, and force his way into government. I want to say from Mombasa, hakuna